Okay.
First, this is the left kidney. This is the right kidney. These yellow tubes are the ureter, sorry. So this is the left ureter. This is the right ureter. This is the bladder, the urinary bladder. And then if you look on this whole model here, this whole thing is the urethra.
Okay.
So from the bladder to the outside.
Okay.
And then for the kidneys,
The shell, right?
yes,
Is the
this whole
renal
red
capsule?
thing.
I can remember capsule.
And then I don't know if you want to look at the other model for the other parts.
What other model?
That one with the 3
Okay.
here.
The area, the open area?
Yeah, well, the lines right here. This
lines.
is the hilum. It's what gives it the bean shape.
Okay.
Now, so all this area right here is called the cortex.
Okay.
These, where the pyramids are, this is the medulla.
Okay. The pyramids live in the medulla.
Yes. And then these parts that are in between, which you can see more in this part. These little peach parts are the renal columns.
Okay. What divides the pyramids are the renal columns.
Yes.
Okay.
And then, of course, the pyramids are called the renal pyramids.
Mm-hmm.
And then the tips of them are called the renal papilla. And then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the minor calyx. 1, 2, that's the major calyx. Number 4 is the renal pelvis
Okay.
for the blood vessels.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes. Okay.
Okay, now these little circles on here, these are called the renal corpuscle.
Renal. Okay.
So now for the inside,
Mm-hmm.
this layer right here, and it's this part right there, in case you're wondering.
Mm-hmm.
So this right here is the Bowman's capsule.
Okay.
This little ball of yarn is called the glomerulus. And then these lines are right here. These are the renal tubule.
The what?
Renal tubule.
Where are you?
Um,
Oh, right here.
renal tubule. Yeah.
Even the big ones?
Yeah. These are all just tubules. So now
Okay.
we're gonna get more into detail on it.
Okay.
So this is this thing right here. The corpse. What is it called? Corpuscle. So right here from the urinary pole, this little snake. This is called the proximal convoluted tubule.
Okay.
And then this long one right here, this is the descending limb. He's not going to ask us nephron loop, but this is the nephron loop.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's
So
gonna be
this
this.
is the descending limb, yes.
Okay.
And then this one that goes up is the ascending limb.
Okay.
And then this next snake here is the distal convoluted tubule, which is on the next page.
The snake?
Yes.
Okay.
And then it goes to the collecting ducts,
The
which
big
is
one.
this right here. Yeah.
Makes sense, collecting everything.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then we'll do that last model after.
Okay.
Okay, so that's it for that. And then now for the blood supply. So of course it starts on the outside from the abdominal aorta, and then it goes into the renal arteries.
Okay.
So this is the renal arteries. These red arteries right here, those are the segmental
Okay.
arteries. And then these right here, the ones that are in between the pyramids, that one is the interlobar artery.
Makes sense.
This long one right here, which
One
is
that
on
goes
the
across?
base of it. Yeah,
Okay.
this is the base of the pyramid.
Uh-huh.
That one is the arcuate artery.
So it's that one's right there,
The
and
long
then this one is these right here.
Yes. That one's
This
the
one right
arcuate.
here. Okay.
And
Oh,
then
I wasn't
these
even pointing to
lines
it.
that are in the cortex, the red ones, those are the interlobular arteries.
Wow.
And then this one it goes to this model. So this is the afferent arteriole. This is the glomerulus.
Okay.
And then this is the efferent arterioles. Now the vasta recta, he said, is this part right here, all this.
where the capillaries are?
Yes. The cap. I think
Well,
these are arteries. Well, this whole part, yeah.
This whole thing
this little
is
web
the what?
is the vasa recta, and it's
Vasa-
inside the pyramid.
Okay.
So now we go up here.
Mhm.
These little red lines are the peritubular capillaries.
Okay.
These little blue ones are the stellate veins.
Okay.
This one is the interlobular veins.
Okay.
The long blue vein across the base is the arcuate veins.
Okay.
And then these veins right here, that one is the interlobar veins.
Which one?
This long blue one.
Oh, it's on the side.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then these blue ones are the segmental veins.
Okay.
And then the renal vein right here.
Okay.
I think that's number 4. And then to the inferior vena cava, which we're that part right there.
Okay. Okay. So this is 1. Number 1. Okay.
And then that's it.
Resume.
Alright, so this right here is the whole bladder.
Mhm.
Oh, we didn't go over the bladder either. So this is the malurethra. This is the prostate. So this little opening right here, or yeah, the little tube, that's the prostatic urethra. And then he says about an inch of this is the membranous urethra. And then this whole long one is the penile urethra. And then when we get to the tip, this is the fossa navicularis.
Okay.
So then the sphincters, the internal sphincter is located right here inside the prostate. This is the one that he has no control over. And then he's not going to ask about external.
Okay.
So that's it for that. This is the urinary bladder. This is where the ureter, those yellow tubes go in. So these are the ureteral openings. And then
The trigon.
this white triangle right here, that's the trigon.
Mhm.
And then if he asks for 38, if he asks for the layer, it's the mucosa. If he asks for the structure, it's the rugae. 47 right here, this is the detrusor muscle.
Mhm.
And then outside, which is number 37, all this is the serosa.
Okay.
And that's it.
And resume.
Okay. So this is the urinary pole.
The orange part?
The line between the orange and the blue part.
Okay.
Between the corpuscle, I think it's called. So this whole orange snake is called the proximal convoluted tubule. All this. and then-
PCT.
yes, PCT. And then it goes down to the descending limb, up the ascending limb.
Okay.
And then this little gray snake is the distal convoluted tubule. And then this whole yellow one, that one is the collecting ducts. So he also pointed this out. This right here, this little web of veins and arteries, that's the vasa recta. The red little web up here, those are the capillaries, the peritubular capillaries, and the blue ones are the stellate veins.
Okay.
Just remember that. So this is inside, this is the cortex, and this side is the medulla.
Medulla and cortex.
Yes.
Medulla and cortex. Okay.
That's it.